The RYOBI 18-volt 1 Plus HP Brushless EZClean Power Cleaner is the perfect solution for portable, versatile cleaning. Powered by a RYOBI 1 Plus battery, you can clean wherever, whenever using water from a garden hose, a 2-liter bottle, or any freshwater source. HP technology provides more power and extends the life of the tool with the brushless motor. It's also more compact and lightweight, allowing users to maneuver around so easily. At 600 PSI, it's more powerful than the previous power cleaner, meaning you can remove more debris even faster. When you need more control, simply use the adjustable pressure button to dial back your PSI, allowing you to clean around delicate areas like screens on windows or other light-duty tasks. Not only do you have the ability to change your pressure settings, you also have an added step of versatility with the 3-in-1 spray nozzle. Select the perfect spray pattern for your needs by choosing between 15-degree, turbo, or rinse without having to change out a nozzle. The power cleaner can easily connect to your garden hose. Just attach the quick connect adapter to a garden hose and snap it into place on the tool. Now you have the ability to clean anywhere your hose can reach. The most common use for a power cleaner is cleaning a vehicle, but you can use this on so much more. Clean things like dirt from your shed or patio furniture. The opportunities are endless. What if there's no spigot in sight? No problem. Easily connect the 20-foot siphon hose and you're able to pull water from any freshwater source. This gives you the ability to use a power cleaner where you may not have access to a traditional water source, like on an apartment balcony or camping. Simply place the 20-foot siphon hose into the water and begin to clean. This power cleaner also includes a bottle adapter, which is the perfect solution for quick cleanups in remote areas. Bring a 2-liter bottle of water with you and easily clean up sporting goods and equipment before putting it back in your vehicle. This EZClean power cleaner runs with cold or hot water, and while using the siphon hose or bottle adapter, you can spray detergents or cleaning solutions for an even deeper clean. With the full lineup of RYOBI EZClean accessories, the cleaning possibilities are endless. You can attach an extension pole for cleaning hard-to-reach areas, or combine multiple accessories for specific jobs. For example, attach a standard nozzle or a squeegee to the flexible wand for more control and detailed cleaning. With the chemical nozzle kit, you can turn your power cleaner into a chemical sprayer for applying pesticides or disinfectants. EZClean accessories give you the ability to clean so much more than you could with just a standard garden hose. The HP Brushless EZClean Power Cleaner is powered by the RYOBI 18-volt 1 Plus battery, making it the perfect cordless cleaning tool. The same battery works in everything from a drill to a blower to countless other tools, giving you the power to do more. You can purchase the RYOBI 18-volt 1 Plus HP Brushless EZClean Power Cleaner and other EZClean products exclusively at the Home Depot and HomeDepot.com.